Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP thick silent and serious printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to check the IP address of the printer. So you have several ways to do it. Of course, you can do it using the embedded web server, but as you know, it's useless because you can't get the access to the embedded web server if you don't know your IP address. So you have two ways to do it. Firstly, of course, you can print the information of the Wi-Fi network. To do it, you just need to click and hold information and Wi-Fi buttons together on your printer, and in this way you will print network information with your IP mask and IPv4. But if you don't have inks, as me for example, so you need to open your HP Smart application. If you don't have this app, you need to open the Microsoft Store and install this app from the Microsoft Store. Of course, you have this app in the App Store on Windows devices, or App Store on Mac devices, Apple devices. But for example, I can't connect using Mac OS and using HP Smart application to this printer, so unfortunately I need to use Windows app. So open Microsoft Store, find here HP Smart, download it and click open. Connect your printer to the computer using USB cable. Click on your printer, then click network information, and here as you can see we have no info of the printer, so we need to click advanced settings. Then now click network here, and here we need to click, so now we can print info, but if you don't have inks, so you need to click additional information, scroll down, find your IP address, and great. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.